Okay guys, we are back again. I was going through some of my old videos and I came across the video that I had done on how to use Google Hangouts to do a panel on YouTube. And I think I could have done it a little bit better justice. So this is how to use Google Hangouts to do a panel on YouTube. Go to your Creator Studio. Once it loads up, we're going to come over here to live streaming. Click on live streaming. And we're going to go to events. Click on events. Now, I'm going to go to new live event up here at the top. Click on new live events. Okay. We're going to come down here, title it. I'm going to put it in as test. I'm going to do the beginning time for now. Description, I'm just going to put test again. Okay, now this is kind of the important part. When you want to use Hangouts so that you can do a panel, you want to make sure that this, where it says quick using Google Hangouts on air or try camera, you want to make sure that that is clicked, not custom. Okay. So now we're going to go down here to go live now, down here in the lower right hand corner. We're going to click it. That's going to bring up this box in the center. Okay, you will now enter Google Hangouts on air so you can stream live from your webcam. If you meant to schedule your live event for later, please check or please click cancel and edit. Okay, we're going to just click on OK. Okay, that is going to bring up our Hangout screen. There we are. Hi everybody. Okay, so here we are. And for right now, I'm going to shut my camera off. Okay, so now this will put it in its own window, which you can resize. Okay, so I'm going to resize this window. I'm also going to show you how to pop out your chat. Okay, as you can see with this, you have to click on the start broadcast when you want to go live. Otherwise, until you do that, it's just a Hangouts call. And you can add people to the call by coming up here to the top, clicking on that, and typing in their email address in here. Or copying this link and posting it to Google Hangouts, into your YouTube chat, or into your YouTube private chat, into your Facebook Messenger, into your Twitter DM, or wherever that you need to post it. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that right now. Close that. Okay, now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to my channel. I'm going to click on the video on my channel, which it's not live yet, but the chat will open up. Okay, once it finishes loading. Okay, there's the chat up. Now, what you can do to pop out your chat, let me close these notifications down here. Up here at the top of your chat, where it says top chat, there's 3 little buttons. You can click on that and come down here to pop out chat. What that does is it opens the chat in its own window over here on the left hand side, which you can resize and move to anywhere on your screen that you want to. What I'm going to do is put it over here on the right hand side. I'm going to resize it for the whole screen, and then I'm going to come down here on my taskbar, and you see your Google Hangouts down here on your taskbar. If you click on that, it should bring up, oh wait, no, it's over here. On your Google Chrome, sometimes it comes up on the Google Hangouts thing, sometimes it comes up on Google Chrome. But here it is, Google Hangouts. If you click that, it brings up your window. And you can resize that window right up against your chat. And then you have your video and your chat on the screen at the same time, just like so. One thing you do want to remember though is when you open your YouTube page up and you're on the video, you want to be sure to mute that, and you can even pause it if you feel like it. But if you don't mute it, you will have echo. So now the way I get back to, like, if you wanted to check your thumbs up, your thumbs down, how many people is watching, you know, you can do this a lot of times too and kind of keep track of that. You can resize the window so that you can see your thumbs up and thumbs down on the screen. So there we are on screen. Got the Google Hangouts going. We can have a panel going by inviting people in, and you can read the chat, interact with the chat while you're live streaming. I hope this helps you guys, and thanks for watching. Like I said, I'm hoping I'm doing my earlier video justice by doing this, because I thought it could be better, and a lot of people had been asking about popping out the chat and how, when you're live streaming with Google Hangouts, how you see the chat. This is the best way to do it that I've found. It works for me. Hopefully it'll work for you. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll talk to you next time. Later on.